Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Go back and open quick settings panel and click on this power icon and restart phone. Restart phone from here. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again open quick settings panel and turn on hotspot. Turn on hotspot and turn off hotspot. After turn on hotspot mode, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Scroll down to and click on settings app. Scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset. After click on reset and click on reset all settings and click on reset settings. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. So it just reset all settings. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After reset all setting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix mobile hotspot not working on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.